guys, welcome back to our channel here with Spencer and Kyla. Today we're back at Algonquin Park, and I forget the exact name of this trail. We'll insert a photo of the trail name here. But yeah, here we go. So they got two ways here. You can go this way and this way. It showed on the map there the two different ways to go. So this way I'm pretty sure leads down right along the river or where the falls is. So hopefully it looks like it's definitely, sounds like it's frozen over, but
oh yeah, it's lovely.
oh,
It looks so pretty.
it's frozen over, but you can hear it. So I'm kind of confused here, guys. Kyla said she can see it. She can hear it there. Whoa! Hopefully you can get down low. Oh, you can, okay. Oh, you can walk out there. Someone's been drinking out here. I'd pick up the garbage, but I have no bag or anything. Come on, man. Whoa! Here we go.
We're taking that up on the way back.
Okay, so we're gonna pick it up. We'll just carry it along the way.
I thought it was gonna fall.
Oh, so you can see right here, it's running there. So there's a little trail that people have walked on. People have walked on here out. So hopefully we can get close and see it for you guys. Oh, look! And if you guys are here in the summer for camping and everything, this is actually a portage trail. So I don't know where the other side of the trail connects to and where everything like that will be. But you can even hear the water like right under here. So you guys, when you come here, be very careful that you don't fall through or anything. I'm gonna go check it out, okay? You can stay there if you want. I'm gonna check it out. So, it's freaking bright. I gotta throw the sunglasses on. It's bright, all the snow, or the sun reflects off it and bam, hits you right in the eyes. Well, I don't know. Oh, look at that. So we got some water rushing here, right here. Baby is down all the way over here. Hey baby, come up here. It gets more. So this is the view. A little bit of water. So we've made it up a little bit. We were just right down here. We haven't gone that far. Way better view now. Like, comes down, goes over there. Look at all of this though. That's awesome. Then you gotta look out here. So if you guys can see, I don't know how much I can zoom in. There's someone all the way up right there. There they are. Freaking coming down here off this little ledge. Freaking tree branch just hanging there. Almost hit me. She's trying to run away here. She's like, let's go. We're escaping. So guys, we just went down there and that was the spot you saw all over there we looked. So now we are just going to head up this stairway or incline over here. I don't know what it exactly is, but then so hopefully that will bring us to the top of where we just were, and then we will be able to see the falls or the rapids from up here and have a better view. Whoa, slippery, that's for sure. How you doing? Good?
My hips hurt though.
I know. This the incline, climbing uphill.
It's slippery. It's like not like.
Yeah, you can't get a good grip. Should have brought like your hiking shoes, or if we had spikes or snowshoes. Like, whew.
It's hard.
You want me to help you?
I think I got it.
Good job. Oh. Last couple steps up here. Then we gotta go back a little bit down here. Wow. Look at this. So you got your view out over here. You see the flowing down there. You got a fence up, obviously. But got this going all the way flowing down. We should be able to get right over there, hopefully. So let's continue on that way. Hopefully we'll be able to make it over there. Look at that, you guys. You see that?
It's probably way better from here than up.
There's the view from that part. Kyla said that the view there makes me thirsty. So we're gonna climb up to the top, see what it looks like from there, and make our way back down and get some water from the car and head for a late lunch. We saw a fry truck. Saw a fried truck on the way here, right? There was a fried truck that looked delicious, like 10 minutes away. So after the hike here, we're going to head over there, and that should be in the end of this video later on. If you guys stay tuned for that, then you guys will see the awesome poutine truck, fried truck I should say, probably fried truck that we'll be stopping at. Yeah, that's what I said, we're stopping for a late lunch, right? It's like 2:30 I think right now, so it's going to be a late lunch. But we've made it up to the top. Wasn't too far from where we just were, but lots of people have been out here. Holy, look how thick the ice is right here. Look at that. Got a nice flowing from over there. This almost slipped on that. It's all ice here. Holy. So, careful, don't slip. We got that part. Make our way over here. It's like a little island over here. Look at that, eh? Nice little river. And we'll bring you guys over through here. Whoa. Go down this little spot here. Whoa. Wipe out. Almost a wipe out there. Whew. So I can't see baby, so if I fall, hopefully I don't fall, but if I do, she'll see me. So we've got falls from here. This guy over here we just saw hiking down on the stay away. He said to us, hopefully he didn't get in our shot. We'll climb down some more. Yeah. Here we are. There it is, guys. This part is awesome right here, I must say. Look at that. Just like goes right down Where's my finger? Just goes right down. All of that's just pure ice. Just goes down and around. Better go find Kyla, see where she's been up to. Wherever she, oh, I think she's just been standing there, guys. Maybe I should have tried to help her and bring her on over. But I think that is it for this part. Freaking had you guys zoomed in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna try and walk across that. Path ends, starts again. You can just hear all of the ice just cracking along the top of the water. You just you could, if you wanted to, walk down all the way in here and see out there, but it's so slippery. I don't want to try and walk down there and slip. I know, that's what I was saying to them. Like, you could just hear it all. Here, I'll show you guys. Watch. Ah. Well, that didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. Thought it was gonna fall right through or make a hole in there, but no. So yeah, that was the, what was it called again? I keep forgetting the name of this trail, but the name of it was somewhere in there, and I'm sure it'll be either the title of this video or something, so
make sure to put a clip in it.
Make sure to, yeah, we'll leave the name of this trail in the description for you guys. If you guys wanted to come check this out, it's in Algonquin Park.
It's a really short trail.
It's really short. It's awesome. It's a little steep.
Very steep.
But it has a very, I'm sure this will be beautiful in the summertime. We have to come back here in the summer and show it to you guys. But yeah, that is today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you're still watching, thanks for staying along. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you guys think. Any tips, anything like that. So, stay tuned, and that is Spencer and Kyla out. So guys, we just were walking back to the car, and we saw these huge, I don't know if you call them icicles, because they're against the rock, but look at this. Well guys, I told you it was slippery, right? Ooh, snow all down my back. That's chilly, guys. That is chilly. Well, part 2. Attempt 2, should I say. Look at that. Hi. Hello. How are you?